Resolving the We Can't Find Your Camera on OptiPlex All-in-One 7410. Recommended tools: Phillips screwdriver. Check out our eBay store for needed tools. Today, I'm going to work on an OptiPlex All-in-One 7410. The client says that the camera stopped working. I have performed all the necessary troubleshooting steps and have determined that the retractable camera needs to be replaced. Before we get into it, please like the video. If you aren't already a subscriber to the channel, consider subscribing. Alright, let's get into it. Place the system on a flat surface with the display facing down. Remove the stand from the display assembly base, then remove the back cover. Now remove the system board shield. Remove the retractable camera assembly. Installing the retractable camera assembly. Slide the retractable camera assembly into its slot, then replace the screws. Install the camera assembly bracket, then replace the screws. Connect the camera cable to the system board, then install the system board shield. Lastly, install the back cover, followed by the stand.